This is one of those iconic homes in Bulli that when you drive past you're going to remember. The home itself was built circa 1912 and these homes just don't come up for sale very often. The house itself, the moment that you enter, it's got all the period charm and features that you'd expect from a turn-of-the-century home. The rear of the home has these sunlit living areas and high cathedral ceilings, not to mention a kitchen that you probably want to spend a lot of time in. Set on just under 1,000 square metres of level land, it affords a beautiful one-bedroom self-contained flat bigger than most apartments. The Terrace itself, in my opinion, is one of the cutest homes that you'll see on the market today.